Mapagkakatiwalaan ba na petroleum products iti kalikagom yung nga usaren para karagiti lugan nyo? Agdan ti sungbat na dayta mga karonda. Ti PTT gasoline station ket ipaay na iti friendly environment petroleum products dangamin ket organic in nature and made up of combinations of carbon and hydrogen with some amounts of sulfur, nitrogen and traces of vanadium, nickel and other metals. Adda andapay ti lubricant products adda gitoy ket naipadas karagiti mapagtalkan at transportasyon iti Estados Unidos. Adda itoy ket idolwan ni Justin Brangers, maysa a professional engine designer and builder. PTT Lubricants has performed flawlessly and better than any products he has used. Agturong ken mapanpadasanitan ti PTT Petroleum Products. Masarakan dagiti sumagmamano asangay ti PTT Gasoline Station iti anong National Highway, Barangay Patut Lubong Pinili, Ilocos Norte, ken ti PTT Gasoline Station, Santiago, Ilocos Sur. They have discount for PUJ, PUV, 2 pesos per 1 liter for PTT diesel and 4 pesos per liter for PTT gasoline. Ken adda andapay iti loyalty program promo. 1 liter is equivalent to 1 point. Ti PTT gasoline station can open in 24 hours. Ti PTT gasoline station iti Barangay Patut Lubong, Pinili, Ilocos Norte. Ken ti PTT Santiago, Ilocos Sur. Ket kukwa ken ni Matunan ni Mr. Wheeler Pascua Pulinday. PTT Gasoline Station, mapagtalkan a pagpagasulinaan ken paggatangan kadagiti petroleum products.